Gentlemen, let's have a frank discussion. If you're a mature man who engages in self-pleasure, I have a question for you. Have you ever pondered the effects of masturbation on your health as you age? Perhaps you've quietly worried, am I damaging my hormones? Or could this be harming my prostate? Or even, is this somehow making me less of a man? If these thoughts have crossed your mind, I want you to know that you are not alone. In fact, this is one of the most common yet least talked about concerns that I hear from my patients. And the truth is, most men are left in the dark, surrounded by myths, outdated beliefs, and a lack of clear, reliable information. But today, we're going to change that. Because when we strip away the shame and the noise, science actually paints a very reassuring and surprisingly empowering picture. Before we dive in, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Where are you tuning in from today? It's always amazing to see how far our men's health community reaches. And while you're here, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your support helps us continue to bring you these honest, stigma-free conversations. Now, let's address the myth. Many believe that masturbation is unhealthy after a certain age, that it weakens you, drains your energy, and ruins your hormones. You may have heard these warnings whispered in locker rooms, passed down in old cultural teachings, or even read them online in questionable forums. But here's the truth. Modern science says otherwise. Self-pleasure is not a guilty habit reserved for youth. Masturbation is often seen as a taboo topic, especially for men as they age. However, it can actually be a natural, protective, and even therapeutic practice. Like anything, the key is moderation and awareness. When done in a healthy way, it can have numerous benefits for your overall health. On the other hand, reckless masturbation can also pose risks. As a board-certified urologist and sexologist, Dr. Victoria Bennett has specialized in helping men over 50 protect their prostate health, improve intimacy, and restore confidence for the past 7 years. She believes that men deserve honest and accurate information about masturbation rather than being shamed or scared about it. Dr. Bennett often encounters men who are hesitant to discuss masturbation, asking her in a hushed voice, "Is it still okay for me to touch myself at my age?" Her response is always the same: you deserve real answers, not fear, not shame, not half-truths. With that in mind, let's explore the surprising benefits of masturbation that science has uncovered, as well as the potential risks to be aware of. By the end, you'll not only have a better understanding of the truth, but also have a clear action plan for maintaining both your prostate health and your confidence. Benefit number 1, masturbation can help maintain penile health. Think of it as a form of physical therapy for your penis. Biologically, each erection pumps fresh blood into the spongy tissue called the corpora cavernosa, which helps keep it healthy and functioning properly. Regular masturbation can also improve blood flow and prevent erectile dysfunction. Additionally, masturbation can also have a positive impact on your mental health. It can be a stress reliever and mood booster, as it releases feel-good hormones such as endorphins and oxytocin. This can help reduce anxiety and depression and improve overall well-being. Another surprising benefit is that masturbation can improve your sex life. By exploring your own body and learning what feels good, you can communicate better with your partner and enhance your sexual experiences together. It can also help you last longer during intercourse, as you become more familiar with your own arousal levels. Furthermore, masturbation can also help prevent prostate cancer. Studies have shown that men who ejaculate frequently have a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. This is because ejaculation helps flush out toxins and potentially harmful substances from the prostate gland. On the other hand, there are also risks associated with excessive or reckless masturbation. It can lead to physical injuries, such as irritation or bruising of the penis, and even nerve damage. It can also cause sexual dysfunction, as excessive masturbation can desensitize the penis and make it difficult to achieve orgasm during intercourse. Moreover, excessive masturbation can also have a negative impact on your mental health. It can lead to feelings of guilt, shame, and even addiction. It can also affect your relationships, as it may become a substitute for intimacy with your partner. Lastly, Dr. Bennett emphasizes the importance of staying mentally sharp as we age. Masturbation can actually help with this, as it stimulates the brain and can improve cognitive function. So, contrary to popular belief, masturbation can actually be a healthy and beneficial practice for men as they age. As long as it is done in moderation and with awareness, it can have numerous positive effects on both physical and mental health. Dr. Victoria Bennett explains that maintaining a healthy blood flow is crucial for maintaining the elasticity of tissues and preventing fibrosis. Not only does this have physical benefits, but it also has emotional benefits. It helps to preserve confidence and dignity, as there is nothing more disheartening than feeling like your body won't respond when you need it to. Furthermore, keeping the machinery in motion has practical advantages as well. The more frequently one engages in sexual activity, the more reliable their body becomes. This is especially important for men, as it supports prostate health. In fact, a study conducted by Harvard researchers found that men who ejaculated at least 21 times a month had a 33% lower risk of of prostate cancer. This is because ejaculation helps to flush out old fluid, toxins, and inflammatory substances from the prostate ducts. Aside from the physical benefits, there are also emotional benefits to be gained from this knowledge. Instead of fearing that they may be damaging their prostate, men can feel empowered knowing that they are actually protecting it. Another benefit of regular sexual activity is that it strengthens the pelvic floor. The muscle contractions that occur during orgasm exercise the pubococcygeus and surrounding pelvic muscles. This has biological implications, such as better erectile strength, improved ejaculatory control, and a reduced risk of incontinence. But it also has practical benefits, as it essentially provides a free workout with benefits that extend far beyond the bedroom. In addition to all of these benefits, regular sexual activity also has a positive impact on stress levels. Orgasms cause cortisol, the main stress hormone, to decrease. This leads to lower blood pressure, better heart health, and reduced anxiety. Emotionally, this can make a significant difference in one's overall well-being. It can mean the difference between lying awake with racing thoughts or drifting into a peaceful sleep. Last but not least, regular sexual activity has been found to boost mood chemicals. This can help to alleviate symptoms of depression and improve overall mood. So not only is it physically beneficial, but it also has a positive impact on one's mental health. In conclusion, it is clear that regular sexual activity has numerous benefits for both physical and emotional well-being. From maintaining a healthy blood flow to boosting mood chemicals, it is a crucial aspect of maintaining overall health. So don't be afraid to indulge in some exercise with your partner. Your body and mind will thank you for it. When you reach climax, your brain releases a surge of dopamine and oxytocin, commonly known as the feel-good and bonding chemicals. Biologically, this not only lifts your mood and combats depression, but it also has a positive impact on your relationships. With increased levels of patience, positivity, and presence, you are able to navigate your day with a greater sense of ease and connection. This is just one of the many benefits of masturbation, which is often overlooked and misunderstood. Another benefit of masturbation is its ability to improve body awareness. By regularly touching yourself, you become more familiar with your own anatomy. This means that you are more likely to notice any changes, such as lumps, curvature, or unusual pain, that could be early signs of disease. Countless men have caught testicular cancer or Peyronie's disease early, simply because they were in tune with their own bodies.